I believe that most of you are curious about what is inside of this pump. So we have invited our engineer to help us to disassemble this pump, to show you the inside parts. And now our engineer has disassembled all the parts of the pumps, and you can see the general overview of our parts. Here is the pump body of the pump, the connector, the flow sensor, and the pressure sensor, the brass impeller, the fan cover, the stator, and the motor casing. And the stator is 100% copper wire. And the rotor with the motor front cover and the fan.
And these two are control box, electrical board, capacitor, 1.2 liters pressure tank, diffuser, and injector. These two are made of plastic.
And now we have introduced the most parts of our smart pumps. And that is all about this small smart pump. So if you have more information you want to know, just contact us at any time.
See you next time.
See you.
Bye.